Learn Croatian polite requests. Can you equals
Možete li?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, friend, you're about to nail polite requests in Croatian. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to learn languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, notes, and fun challenges. Today we turn can you into Croatian.
Možete li?
And make it stick, fun, quick, and friendly. Your goal today. One clear aim keeps you moving. By the end, you'll say, can you, as.
Možete li?
With confidence, add.
Molim.
For extra politeness and know the difference between formal.
Možete li?
And informal.
Možeš li?
Extra soft version.
Biste li mogli?
Sound it out. Let's warm up your mouth. Clap clap. Možete li.
Možete li?
Mnemonic. Možete, like a tiny jet of politeness launching your request. Rhyme.
Možete li?
Ask politely, doors open brightly. Mini dialogues. Now hear it in action, then echo it out loud. You.
Dobar dan. Možete li mi pomoći?
Hi, can you help me? Helper.
Naravno.
Of course. You.
Možete li otvoriti prozor?
Can you open the window? You.
Možete li mi reći svoje ime?
Can you tell me your name? You.
Možete li pokazati put do muzeja?
Can you show the way to the museum? Culture tip. Be polite like a local. With strangers or staff, use the formal you.
Vi.
And the question form.
Možete li?
Start with.
Oprostite.
Excuse me, add.
Molim.
Please, and you'll sound golden. Quick drill. You speak, I wait. Ready? Translate. Can you help me? Answer.
Možete li mi pomoći?
Translate. Can you open the window? Answer.
Možete li otvoriti prozor?
Translate. Can you tell me your name? Answer.
Možete li mi reći svoje ime?
Translate. Can you bring water, please? Answer.
Možete li donijeti vodu? Molim.
Translate. Can you repeat that, please? Answer.
Možete li to ponoviti? Molim.
Funny break. Language with a smile sticks longer. You ask your cat.
Možete li otvoriti vrata?
The cat blinks slowly, and ignores you like a true royal. Moral. Use.
Možete li?
With humans, add.
Molim.
And watch doors, literally, open. Mini quiz. No stress, just quick checks. Q1. How do you say, can you, politely in Croatian? A.
Možete li?
Q2. Fill the blank.
Otvoriti prozor.
A.
Možete li?
Q3. Formal versus informal, which is for a friend.
Možete li?
Or.
Možeš li?
A.
Možeš li?
Is informal. Q4. Extra polite alternative? A.
Biste li mogli?
Your challenge. Time to own it. 1. Ask for directions to the station. Example.
Možete li mi pokazati put do kolodvora?
2. Ask for a coffee without sugar. Example.
Možete li napraviti kavu bez šećera?
3. Ask for the departure time. Example.
Možete li mi reći vrijeme polaska?
Goodbye and next steps. You did great. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Možete li?
In tiny daily moments. For more lessons, transcripts, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and Sretno, good luck.